Welcome back to another video on Xtrade. I'll be showing you how to log in onto your account. The first step you want to do is click login and then wait for the page to load. You will come to this page. It will say login to Xtrade. You can watch the demo or you can just click roll. The first step you want to do is click email and enter your email that you have registered on and enter your password. If you want to save your password, you can click save password, or if you forgot your password, click forgot password. You can chat with them by clicking this link. Once you have done all those steps, you can go ahead and click submit. So I'm going to end the video right here. If you want to find more information, you can visit the Wii Coins page. There are over 150 pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you how to log in.